This is an introduction to using the player. On the left side you'll see there's a table of contents. You can move through the presentation this way. You also have a thumbnails view. You can also move forward and backwards with the buttons at the bottom. Notice at the center bottom you have a player control. So if you're doing a video such as this one, you can move forward and backwards easily. On the top right, notice there's a button called Attachments. Sometimes in the presentation you will be referred to an attachment and you can click here and open them. And finally we want to talk about quizzes. This is a demonstration quiz we've made up, and we will just go through it and talk about some of the features. When you finish an answer, you can either hit return on the keyboard or the submit button. And then you will have a feedback box that tells you if it's correct or incorrect, and then you also have some additional feedback here. We're going to choose a wrong answer on purpose to see what happens with the feedback. Which college has campuses in Burnaby and Vancouver? Okay, we will choose Douglas. Submit. Incorrect. Douglas doesn't have campuses in Burnaby and Vancouver, but it does in New West, Coquitlam, and Surrey. With this type of question, you need to click and drag from the right side. And we're going to do a couple of wrong answers to see what happens with our feedback at the very end. When you finish a quiz, you have three choices. You can review and see all the correct answers, retry the whole quiz, or if you're satisfied with your answers, click Finish. We just got 33, so we want to do some review. That was correct. These were the acceptable responses. Incorrect, the correct answer here in the green check, and we chose Douglas. And then for this question, of course, correct is shown in the green. Notice with the incorrect ones, the number matches with what was the correct answer: Langara and Vancouver, Coquitlam and Surrey. That is a quick overview of the player.